Hey guys, welcome back to Skillet Swim Revit course. This is a part 2 video of placing components. If you missed the part 1, its link is in the description. Please do watch it. In this video, we'll see how to place slides on our building model. Let's get started.
While placing components, once we are familiar with the different types of components, next is to know about their host, where they can be placed. When it comes to light, there will be lights that can be placed in ceilings only, or there will be wall mount lights, some floor lamps that can be placed on floors only, and the table lamps that can be placed on the tables only. So in these cases, the floors, the tables, and the wall become the host for those lamps or the lights. Like this, we should be familiar with the components and their hosts. This is applicable for all the components, not only for the lights. Now let's see how to place the lights. Right, for placing the lights on the ceiling, we have to go to the ceiling plan. In project browser, in the ceiling plans, go to the level of which you are placing the lights. Okay, once you are in the ceiling plan, go to architecture, components, place components. Okay, once you click on it, load family. In this, you have to search for lightings. In this, architectural, internal. Right, so there are these many options for lights that are inbuilt. There are some lights that can be downloaded externally. Some will be of free version and some will be for paid version, and also we can model our own lighting or the components. That is a different topic. Right now we'll see how to use the existing lamps, right, existing lights. If I scroll, I can see that there are these many options for ceiling lights. Let me select this for my ceiling, click on open, and you just have to place the lights wherever you want it to be placed. Okay, once you have placed, if you want to change the direction of it or the orientation of it, just click on it and click the space bar. It will change its orientation in this way. Right, next I'll go to my floor plan, level 1, architecture, component, place a component, load family. Here I'll search for floor lamps. Right, I'll select this lamp, open. Okay, I want to place it between my furniture here. Or beside a piano or the table, wherever we require the floor light. Next, I'll go back to ceiling again, ceiling plan. I'll go to architecture, component, place a component, load family. I'll search for pendant lamp or pendant lights. Okay, this one. I'll select this pendant light over my dining table. Right, my dining table is somewhere here. I'll just place it here. If I go to my 3D view, I can't see that yet. One thing, I can hide them. Otherwise, what I'll do in property palette, I'll go to extents. Under that, we have section box. Check that. So the section box is open. Now I'll take this section box a bit down. until I get to see this. See, the ceiling has been moved. If I want it to more to less, see, now I can see that. Let me show it in realistic view. In realistic view, if I see, so these are the floor lamps that I set, right? And now to see the ceiling lights, what I'll do, I'll just hide these. I'll just hide the ceilings here. Category. See, these are the ceiling lights that I have placed. If I go to floor level, again, see that, right? So this is how we place the lights. Let me also show you about the wall mount. Okay, wall mount, how to place it. Again, architecture, it's in my plan view. Architecture component, place a component, load family, look for wall mount lights, scone, right? I want this scone light that is uplight. I'll open, and once I start placing it, I can place it externally or internally as I wish, and it is only allowing me to place it on the wall because this is a wall mount type of light. Okay, so I'll just place one here, one here, here, and somewhere here. Okay, I'll just delete this. I don't want it to be in my exterior part. So this is it. If I see it in 3D, see, I can see that it's been mounted on the walls, right? Now unhide all the elements. So this is it. This is how you place the lights. So what I suggest you is take some time, go through all the components, explore all the components, see which type of components they are, what are their hosts, how they can be placed and all, right? So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We at Skilllift offer full BIM Revit courses at affordable prices. All the details are given in the description. See you in the next video.